Peace and blessings. Michael G. Simpson, your host from WFM Radio In Between Pieces. Got a blank canvas. Got a nice dialogue here. And this is all for my folks out here, my young kings and queens. You may be having a difficulty, rough patch within your journey, but it's not the end all be all, man. You may be even in your head too much, right? You may be overthinking what's really going on, when really it's a small portion, a part of your journey. It's a small token of just, you will get through. So I want to be just a reminder and just that light. We're going to get through this. And when you get through this, you're going to see the light. Whether it's better finances, whether it's better emotional, whether it's better mental, all of that is manifesting right now in this moment. So let's stop talking and let's create something real quick. But other than that, I want to make sure you're having a great day, man. Like, when I overthink sometimes, I forget that my overthinking is doing nothing for me to perform. So instead of overthinking, I got to perform. So, first note. That first word, don't. Don't do it. Don't you dare do it. Don't you overthink. Don't you start doubting, right? Because once you start doubting, you take away from the power that you really have. So we're going to write this down here. Once you start overthinking, right? I'm basically telling myself, I'm not worth it. I'm basically telling myself, I don't have the power within. I'm basically telling myself, if I don't overthink, if I do overthink, my performance will not exceed that. Here it is. The greatest thing about being a creative is that our thoughts do turn into ideas, which we are then able to execute and manifest what we're thinking about. But when we get too much in our thought, I've even done this before where I overthink myself into an actual worry. And what I'm worrying about should not be about the problem, but trying to figure out a solution to the problem. Because sometimes the problem isn't the problem. A problem can actually help you solve your problems, right? With the problem, you now can be innovative. You now can be you. You now can use your very own power to go through that problem. So why overthink? Don't overthink. Just perform. Just go out and do it. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be a simple task. I'm not saying you might be met with an actual bridge in front of you or a wall. But I'm just saying, if you have the tenacity, what you do, because you wouldn't be at this conversation right now if you didn't have the tenacity, the resiliency, the actual breakthrough, that thing, that chip on your shoulder, right? Break through your season. This is your breakthrough season. And I don't want to be the one to tell you that you can't, but don't overthink. In this, add a little bit of sprinkles on this. And life really is a blank canvas because each and every day is an opportunity. Each and every day is a new day. I mean, yesterday is gone, tomorrow's not here, but today is now. So why not perform? Why not just do it? Why not just go out there and build your dreams? I'm not saying chase nothing. Don't chase a damn thing, but build it. And when you build things, beautiful things attract to you. So I'm saying, don't overthink, Just perform. Your journey means something, you mean something, you have truly a gift inside of you. Don't forget that. Much love. Let's leave it at this. Don't overthink, just perform. Until next time, y'all, if you want this piece, hit the link in the bio. And don't forget, subscribe, like, comment on this video. Much love. Peace.